Hi, I'm Jim Passwaters from Delaware Chicken Association. We know that chicken house fans blow air to the outside, but it is difficult to see how the air moves once it passes across the fan blades and how living buffers can contain that airflow. We decided to demonstrate this air movement from the fans by using smoke as a marker. The farm we chose for the demonstration has warm season grasses planted adjacent to the fans. We hope the smoke will demonstrate the effectiveness of those grasses. Since I'm not a chicken grower and know little about airflow inside a poultry house, Georgie Cartanza with the University of Delaware will discuss the air movement. As a grower and a poultry specialist, she will be better at explaining what's going on.
Poultry houses are equipped with ventilation systems that allow the grower to create an environment for the chicken house that is dry and more favorable to the chickens growing well and being healthy. The ventilation system actually exhausts air out of the house. So we have a vacuum created, and in that vacuum there will be some dust and particulates that are created, and so those will exit out of a fan. And so our goal today is we're going to look at what the pattern of air is as it exits the house through that fan. And so here you can see that air exiting, and as it moves towards that vegetative buffer, which is a warm season grass, there's also some trees behind it. You can really get a sense of, how is that, if you were to think of there being dust in this smoke, how is that being captured as it filters into that vegetative buffer? And so these are really helpful because, again, they actually act as a natural filter to capture those dust and particulates as they come out. Oftentimes we've been a little bit concerned about planting these in too close of a proximity to a fan, because what we wouldn't want to do is restrict airflow. And so scientifically, as long as we're at least 2 times the diameter away from the fan, it will not cause a restriction on the air exiting out of that fan. So this has been a little bit of a missed opportunity for us, but as we move forward, it really is important that if we can plant these vegetative buffers in closer proximity, and especially the warm season grasses closer to fans, the more effective and better of a job they're going to do at capturing those dust and particulates.
I work with DCA members to offer free technical assistance about vegetative environmental buffers, and I help them find cost share opportunities for their buffers too. To learn more about this benefit of belonging to Delaware Chicken Association, visit dcachicken.com.